Are you sick of scooping that disgusting, antiquated litter box? This is Litter Robot, the automatic self-cleaning litter box for cats. Let me show you how it works. After your cat does their business, the Litter Robot cycles, sifting out those dirty clumps and depositing them into the waste drawer below, giving your kitty a fresh place to go each and every time. Litter Robot, the official litter box of over 600,000 happy cat parents. Order today.